Can air pollution impact climate change? Well, the answer is yes, and the connection is stronger than most people know. Let's break it down. Air pollution is not just about the smoke you see in the air. It's also about the rising greenhouse gas emission, specifically carbon dioxide or CO2. According to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, CO2 is Earth's most important greenhouse gases as it absorbs and radiates the heat. Well, normally, the natural effects of greenhouse gas actually help Earth to keep the temperature warm enough for life. But by us keep burning fossil fuel for energy, we're actually adding more CO2 into the air, and that's making the planet heat up even more. In fact, an OAI also stated that CO2 is actually responsible for two-thirds of warming caused by all human-made greenhouse gas emission in 2021. Now here's the key link. The cause of air pollution and climate change are often the same. We're talking about burning fossil fuels for transportation, industries, and power plants, basically all major sources of both CO2 and air pollutant. Even agriculture and vegetation burning contribute to these dual problems because these activities release harmful pollutants and greenhouse gas like CO2 at the same time. Quick fact, according to Clean Air Fund, 85% of air pollution sources comes from biomass and burning fossil fuels. That's the same burning that caused climate change. Can you see the connection here? Now, the question is, what can we do about it in our daily life? Simple action make a difference. Choosing to walk or bike instead of driving, opting for public transport, reducing waste and consumption, supporting business that committed to cleaner energy, and cutting down flights whenever possible can be some of your options. These everyday choices do add up and contribute to creating a healthier and more cleaner world. But there's actually more power in your hand than you might realize. To go beyond these everyday choices and to be more effective, you can actually start by understanding the air around you. And that's where the AirGradient Open Air Monitor becomes incredibly valuable. It precisely measures PM 2.5, a tiny little particle that is very harmful for our health and affecting climate change. Also CO2, the main gas that's heating up our planet. With a dense network of this AirGradient monitor, you can detect local emission sources in your area, whether it's from traffic congestions, nearby industrial activities, or sources inside of buildings. With this knowledge, you can take informed and targeted action, improving the air quality you breathe and reduce carbon emissions in your community. Remember, every meaningful action you take from here can actually help contribute to create a cleaner and healthier planet. So, what will be your first step to reduce emission?